This is lesson 16-5, page 602, Convince Me. Sarah wants to design a line symmetric tabletop. She sketched half of the tabletop. What are 2 ways Sarah can complete her design? Well, the tabletop is line symmetric if the design can be folded along a line of symmetry into matching parts. In this lesson, we are going to use dots to create a mirror image. So let's take a look at one way. Complete Sarah's design on the opposite side or the mirror image of the line of symmetry. So we're going to have the dots help us. In this design here, I can see if I started this dot at the line of symmetry, I do 1 hop over. Therefore, to get the line of symmetry, I do 1 hop down this way. So I know that these 2 dots are symmetrical. Then I'm going to take a look at how did I get this side. And I'm going to do the hops, counting the dots. 1 hop, 2 hops. So I will start here and I do 1 hop, 2 hops. And so there is the mirror image of the other side. Using this line of symmetry and counting the dots, I will start here and go 1, 2. Now I need the mirror image of it. 1, 2. And here is the other dot on the other side. And now I'm just going to connect the dots. If this is diagonal, I will also do this side diagonal. Now we have a mirror image of the other side, and this design is symmetrical. Let's take a look at another way. Here's a design for a tabletop, and we can see that it is symmetrical. Here's partial design that she gave, which is right here, and she used the dots to help her get the other, or the mirror image. So if she went 1 this way, I will also go 1 there. Okay, and then I could draw the extended line there. Now to get this dot, I can use this dot on the horizontal line of symmetry. 1, 2 that direction, 1, 2 here. And I can do the same thing for this dot. 1, 2 that direction. The mirror image would be 1, 2 in that direction, or in this case 1, 2 in that direction. So I can get my dots by counting. I can also use this line of symmetry dot here to get this far one if I needed to. 1, 2. There it is, and it's exactly the same as this side. 1, 2. There it is. And over here I can use this dot on the line of symmetry to guide me. And to get this one, she did 1, 2. Okay, there's her dot. And now I want a mirror image. 1, 2. There it is. And then I just connect the dots. And so now I do have a design that's symmetrical. Convince me. Let's take a look at Sarah's designs of her tabletops on these 2. So we're going to go down, take a really good look at this, bring it down, okay? And we're going to have the dots help us to guide us into making a mirror image of each design. So we're going to start with this design using the dots. So when I look here, I go up 1 hop here, therefore I need to go 1 hop down for the mirror image. So this one gets marked. I went 1 hop up, the mirror image. I need to start at the line of symmetry and go down 1 hop here. All right, now I have these 2 lines, or this line here and the opposite side here, and I can see that these 2 lines on the outside of her design are diagonal. So I'm going to connect them diagonally, and I have a symmetrical design of her small tabletop. This last design that we're going to connect is a little bit more difficult. This is a line of symmetry that is diagonal. Okay, to help me with this, I'm actually going to turn the paper upside down so that I can see how this design is going down and across. Okay, so I'm going to take a look here. I can see from the line of symmetry, this diagonal line of symmetry, I went over one. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go over one here too. I'm going to mark it. So if this is diagonal, I'm going to go diagonal here also. Then from this dot here, I went kind of a larger hop over. So I'm going to take this and take the larger hop over also. So now I have the mirror image of these two lines. Okay, I'm going to use this line of symmetry to help me. I went over kind of a little small hop that way. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to do the small hop here. I'm going to go ahead and mark that. All right, and I also notice here that there is a series of dots. So I did one hop, two hops, three hops. So starting at the same corner, and I know that I'm going down this way, one hop, two hops, three hops. So I'm going to draw the line. There we go. So using the dots to guide me, I was able to draw a symmetrical tabletop using half of this side and the mirror image of it on the other side. So that is the Convince Me. Sarah has sketched different designs for a small tabletop, and we used the line of symmetry to help us guide us on the mirror image of that design.